Lily? Lily, take Trigger that way. Lily. Where are you going with him? Take him down the hill.
I'm afraid that he's gonna run.
He's not gonna run. He's a good boy. He's just walking around. He's following Lily. Lily, where are you going with Trigger? You gonna take him back up the hill? He's gonna help you. Can you hear her clicking at him? She's clicking her tongue at Trigger. And then she said, "Excuse me, Rambo."